Is your Google Play Store stuck on that dreaded loading screen, blocking you from all your favorite apps and updates? Don't worry, we've all been there, but fixing a non-working Google Play Store is usually a straightforward process. Let's dive into the most common solutions. First, we need to clear the cache and data for the Google Play Store app itself. Navigate to your phone settings, then find the Apps or Applications section. You might need to tap See All Apps or a similar option to view the full list. Locate and tap on Google Play Store in the list. If you don't see it immediately, you may need to tap the three dots in the top right corner and select Show System Apps. Once you're on the Apps info screen, tap on Storage and Cache. First, tap the Clear Cache button. This removes temporary files that might be causing the issue. Now, go back to the previous screen and tap Clear Storage or Clear Data. Confirm that you want to clear the data. This essentially resets the Play Store to its default state. Now, try opening the Play Store again. If that didn't work, let's check your internet connection. A stable Wi-Fi or mobile data connection is crucial for the Play Store to function. Try toggling your Wi-Fi off and then back on, or switch to mobile data if you're on Wi-Fi, and vice versa. Next, ensure your date and time settings are correct. Go back to your phone settings and find System or General Management. Then, look for Date and Time. Make sure Automatic Date and Time and Automatic Time Zone are both enabled. Incorrect date and time can sometimes cause synchronization issues with Google services. We also need to make sure Google Play Services is working correctly. Go back to your apps list in settings again. This time, search for or find Google Play Services. Tap on it, and then again select Storage and Cache. Tap Clear Cache here. Do not clear the data for Google Play Services unless you're comfortable with potentially resetting some of your Google app settings. Finally, let's check your Google account. Go to your phone settings and find Accounts or Accounts and Backup. Tap on your Google account. You might see an option to sync account. Tap on the Sync button to force a resync of your account data. If the Play Store still isn't working, you might consider removing and resetting your Google account. But try the previous steps first. With these steps, your Google Play Store should be back up and running, ready to download your next favorite app. If you found this helpful, give us a like and subscribe for more useful Android tips.